After a long dusky winter, this is how the spring starts in UK. Temperature gradually start to rise, and you may notice the days becoming longer as daylight's hours increases. The weather can still be quite changeable with a mix of sunny days, rain showers, and occasionally chilly spells. And it's not uncommon to experience a transition period where you might still need a jacket or sweater, particularly during the early period of summer. As spring progresses, you can expect to see the landscape coming into life with blossoming flowers, budding trees, and vibrant greenery. In April and May, you may witness the emergence of colorful spring flowers like daffodils, tulips, and bluebells. In spring, everything comes to life again. Hop on every branches like birds singing and butterflies here and there. It's now spring that welcoming the summer. In UK, summer typically begins in late June and extends through August. However, as with any seasonal transition, the exact timing and weather condition can vary from year to year. During the start of summer, you can expect longer daylight hours, warmer temperature, and a generally more stable weather pattern compared to spring. The days get noticeably warmer, and you will experience more sunshine. The summer season lights up a lot of traditional events and festivals, including music festivals and, of course, garden parties. For me, summer is always about trying new things. We got time to rearrange our balcony, planted some strawberries and chilies, planted some cyclamen and peonies. And it has become a habit to enjoy the beautiful view from the balcony. I always wanted a balcony. I precisely asked for it when we were house hunting. Because what else is more enjoyable than sitting in a balcony enjoying a cup of coffee, admiring how beautiful is nature? Spending time in the great outdoors. That was my another habit during summer, because I believe nature reconnect is always important. For me personally, I get more peace when I'm outside in lush meadows, looking up the sky, or reading my favorite book under a tree, nourishing my artistic skills, drawing an instant picture with breeze touching my hairs and ears. Hosting a small get-together with your best friends is another way to enjoy summer. Cooking your favorite dishes for them, or perhaps trying out something new with them. connect yourself with nature on a picnic day. Likewise, we went to Tidden Food Park. It's a heart-shaped lake, not so famous, but is located in Leighton Buzzard, Bedfordshire, England. In a world that often pulls us away from nature, reconnecting with the outdoors is a powerful act of self-care and restoration. Through mindful practices, immersive experiences, and ecological awareness, we can tap into the healing power of nature and find balance in our life. Like, we did wander here and there, admired every bit of nature. While sunny and warm days are common, it's also not uncommon to experience occasional rainfall or overcast skies. Likewise, quick showers and periods of drizzle can occur throughout the summer months. With that heavy wind leaves no logic for umbrellas. A little bit gloomy the weather, I love it. They can become moments of tranquility, reflection, and even great joy. And that's what the summer says, to embrace the rain with open arms. Because I believe that rainy days provide an opportunity to witness the symphony of nature. The sound of raindrops dancing on rooftops, leaves, puddles creates a soothing melody. Take a moment to listen to the rhythm of the rain, allowing it to wash away stress and provide a sense of calm, and allow it to take away the chaos of everyday life. You must be wondering that I didn't say some extraordinary task to do in this summer. Don't you see that everything that I said was just ordinary things from an ordinary life? Seeing the beauty of doing nothing, or just finding happiness in just these simple things, or just take a moment to admire these things around you. That makes our life extraordinary, because it's not that common that everyone can see the beauty in everything. And those who can, they are extraordinary. So if you have come this far, then there is definitely something that is relatable to you. So if you liked my video, please blow out that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and be a family. I'll see you in the next video. And until then,